headed to Detroit, Michigan right now. And Detroit is known as one of the most dangerous cities in America. And I have two college buddies there, and they have assured me that my RV's not going to get jacked and that they live in family-friendly neighborhoods. Are there any towns or areas that I shouldn't stop in, i.e. too dangerous? You'll be okay, Grundy. Don't be afraid. With a smiling and laughing emoji face.
Yeah.
Remember the movie 8 Mile? You know, Eminem? Well, that's his thing. And that's happening, so I'm gonna go to 8 Mile.
Always pull up with some extra style. Everywhere we go to. Party never over, and we never sober. So everywhere we go to. Got a thing alive for the crazy shit that's happening now. Man, everywhere we go. Cool looking fresh to death. Push the dust off my shoulder for the extra check.
We think that these two might be tourists because they should not be walking around this neighborhood. Demby just said to roll up our windows, and that's true life. Roll them up.
Losing my control. Party after party, been 7 weeks in a row. And she telling me we should smoke. Twisting up a doobie. I used to get laughed at, and now she wants to do me. Damn, same girl right now, she's just a groupie. Back then, she was like a star in a movie. Man, I ain't got the dough for that expensive Gucci, but for sure, with this flow, that will come to the
Grundy, what are you doing wearing that?
We're in the D.
so keep on pouring till the early morning. Say everywhere we go to, looking extra fly. Always pull up with some extra style. Everywhere we go to, party never over, and we never sober. So everywhere we go to, got a thing alive for the crazy.
They're right, they do live in a family-friendly neighborhood. Marky is just setting up bowling. They have these fancy drinks here called the White Claw. Don't worry, do you have any advice for me? Do whatever the hell you want. High five. And everyone wants to hop on with you, girl.
I wouldn't pick up any hitchhikers with short hair.
Let's go to Montana.
Is love. You don't never underestimate the power of love.
Totally a quintessential American summer. Everyone's out on their front porches, all the neighbors